fish fry, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half a tablespoon dhania powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, jeera pudi, Everest chicken masala powder, half a teaspoon, salt to taste, 1 lemon juice. Mix well. Food color optional, very little. The mixture is ready. Apply to the fish. Marinate for 1 hour. Hot tawa, add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. Place them on the hot tawa. Add little oil. Fry them both the sides. Flip it. Ready. Ready to serve with lemon, onion,